Next, next question. Define current density. Current density அப்படினாலே represented as J. Current density is defined as current per unit area. That's all. So current per unit area is called current density. Current நம்ம இப்படி கூட சொல்லலாம், charge by time by area. அப்ப இதை இன்னொரு வேலையும் கூட சொல்லலாம், quantity of charge flowing per second per unit area. இதுதான் current density. அப்போ simple definition, current flow per unit area. That's all. So its unit is ampere per meter square. This is the unit of current density. So current density is defined as current per unit area. So current charge by time போடலாம், by area போடலாம். அப்ப இதுபடி கூலும் by second, அது ampere. Ampere area ஓட unit meter square. So current density is nothing but current per unit area. Next we'll pass on to definition of drip. That's all.